This is how we celebrate our anniversary of Refuge in Jesus Christ that I invited you to. See us dancing, rejoicing in Christ because our life is secured in Him. Look at people rejoicing because their life is secure in Jesus Christ. You too can join us by giving your life to Jesus Christ and secure your life. Join us and celebrate our life in Christ. May God bless you as you work in Jesus Christ's mighty name. Give your life to Jesus Christ because tomorrow might be too late. God bless you.